What's going on? Josh Freeman here, and I just got my DJI FPV drone with the Fly More combo in the mail. Super excited. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you guys. Let's get to it. Oh. There it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Check it out. Goggles. Wow. Dang, this thing is sweet. And we have the remote controller. Let's see, in the box here we have some propellers. Okay, this is the goggles battery right here with an AC power adapter. Okay, let's move this down below here, get everything probably in better sight so you guys can see it. There we go. Okay, so in this box we have the goggles headband, the goggles antenna, the top shell, cables, and manuals. So it does come, okay, so you have two joysticks that are actually inside the controller, one on each side there. They're built into the controller, and then you get a pair of extra joysticks as well. So I'm gonna plug the extras in right now. So I always definitely recommend getting the extra batteries just because, you know, if you want to get out there and be able to fly it for more than 10, 15 minutes at a time. So that's why I always get the batteries, at least the Fly More combo. I got it with the Air 2S as well. These are the antennas for the controller. Just screw them in like so. Here are the extra batteries. Okay, so this is everything that you get in the Fly More combo. We are all set. Time to log some simulator hours in and get to flying. Thanks for watching, guys.